Marcus and Charlotte. What are you guys doing today? You guys gonna have a race?
Yeah.
Marcus, set.
Go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brenda's coming.
Okay. Oh, Evie, you gotta stay in the wagon, honey. You okay? Isn't your dad being funny? Look at him over there. Is he riding the tricycle? Is he on your bike? You know what? There's cars on this road, Ev. You gotta come back in the wagon, please. Look at them go! Who's gonna be the winner? The 6-year-old on the bike or the 33-year-old on the tricycle? That was pretty good. Did you break the bike?
Daddy. Oh, Charlie's win.
How does that feel?
Yeah.